excited to talk to you today about a new product that I collaborated with Purple Hobbies on called the Third Hand Binding Tool. It's meant to work with our wool mats or wool press and lock tiles that have the puzzle edge, or any wool mat that you have. So as you can imagine, with me making perfect binding as one of our products, I make a lot of binding. And I discovered that I really love using our wool mats to press the binding and fold it, but there wasn't the best tool to attach to the wool mat. And so that's exactly what this third hand binding tool does. So it comes in two versions, like I said, one that attaches to the edge of the wool tile, or one that pins into the regular wool tile. If you're familiar with Purple Hobbies, she has great products that she 3D prints here in California. We carry the thread cutter and the magnetic pin cup. These are just two of many of her amazing products, and so it was really exciting to collaborate with her on this. So basically what I do is I attach my my third hand binding folder to the wool mat, either on the edge using the puzzle piece or onto the mat using pins. And then I'm simply going to take my binding and I'm going to thread it through here. This one I'm going to secure with pins. And then I simply put my iron down and I can pull through so it holds and folds for you as you're pulling through the iron. Pulling through the iron. So you're going to burn your hands less than when you're trying to fold it and iron at the same time. And so this little tool just simply helps you fold your 2.5 inch binding in half. And now I end up with perfectly folded binding, no burns. For the wool mat version, you simply put the flat bottom on top of your mat and then use any straight pins to pin through these little holes at an angle to secure the tool to your wool mat. And this will help it from sliding while you're ironing. And then you'll feed your binding through the edge. The pin hole in the center helps you move it through. In either version, once it's secured, you can thread your binding through the center and use a pin through the hole to guide it through. You can find these tools, our wool press and lock tiles, our perfect binding, and our alpha clips on our website, sewingbysarah.com.